One little bird flaps its wings so high, it makes a one as it soars through the sky. Tweet, 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 it chirps with cheer. The number one is finally here. Flap, 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 flying so free. Birds in the sky, it's fun to see. Making numbers as they play, bringing shapes to life today. Little birds fly side by side, they curve and turn to make a two with pride. Flap, 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 they sing and play, the number two has come our way. Three little birds in a graceful spree, they twist and twirl to form a three. Chirp, 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 they call with glee, the number three is what we see. Four little birds with a flapping roar, together they form the number four. Tweet, 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 they glide once more, it's fun to watch them make the four. Flap, 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 flying so free. Birds in the sky, it's fun to see. Making numbers as they play, bringing shapes to life today. Five little birds in the sky so alive, they swoop and spin to create a five. Flap, 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 they dive and thrive, now in the sky is a perfect five. Six little birds in a whirling mix, they circle around and form a six. Chirp, 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 their feathers flick, flying together they make a six. Seven little birds in a steady heaven, they tilt and glide to make a seven. Tweet, 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 they swoop and sink, the number seven is done in a wink. Eight little birds in a swirling state, they loop and glide to create an eight. Flap, 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 it looks so great, the number eight is up to 10. Flap, 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 flying so free. Birds in the sky, it's fun to see. Making numbers as they play, bringing shapes to life today. Nine little birds with the curly design, they twist and turn to make a nine. Chirp, 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 they move in line, the number nine is oh so fine. 10 little birds in the sky again, they form a one and oh, it's number 10. Tweet, 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 they cheer with zen, flying together they count to 10.